I'm School Resource Officer Shane Van Adder. There are a lot of inaccuracies and misconceptions about e-cigarettes and vaping. Who's heard an e-cigarette user say, "It's only water vapor"? Yeah, most of us. The truth is, it's not just water vapor. Let's take a moment to listen to a medical professional talk about the dangerous health effects caused by e-cigarettes and vaping.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Prosser. I'm a family practice physician who works for St. Vincent, and I also work at the Carmel Clay Wellness Center. Vaping is harmful. It contains nicotine, and I think a lot of people don't realize that it does. Some forms of e-cigarettes, especially there's one called Juul, that it can contain as much as a whole pack of cigarettes. Nicotine is very addictive, and people can be addicted to the e-cigarettes just like they are regular cigarettes. When you talk to your kids about drug use, or even are they smoking, you may want to use the term, are they vaping or are they juuling? Because those would be the terms that they would recognize. If you ask if they're smoking, they're going to be able to say no. But if you ask if they're vaping or if they're juuling, they consider that something different. Unfortunately, people think that they're harmless, and there's flavorings in a lot of the e-cigarettes that people don't realize that there's been no studies to know if those flavorings are safe to be inhaled, and now they're starting to find that they're very toxic to the system. And it's not only what you're inhaling but also what you're exhaling. The substance that comes out when you're breathing out after you've vaped contains harmful substances as well. Some people will become addicted to it very easily. Even one puff, somebody can become addicted to it. The withdrawal symptoms can be cravings, wanting to have the substance, whether it's a cigarette or an e-cigarette, thinking about it when you should be thinking about other things, irritability. Those are all signs of potential addiction to nicotine. Another one of the health risks of e-cigarettes is that about 30% of people who use e-cigarettes are more apt to start smoking traditional cigarettes. And that traditional cigarettes has about 8,000 chemicals in it that you'd be breathing in, which those are very harmful. So the e-cigarettes not only has its toxic chemicals, but it's a gateway to using traditional cigarettes. If you've already started to use e-cigarettes or Juuls, then I would recommend stopping. Just try and stop. If you find that you can't stop, or you find yourself thinking about using the e-cigarette or the Juul, and you're really struggling with stopping, then I would talk to your doctor. Or Indiana has a Quit Now line that you can call. It's open 24 hours a day. It's anonymous, and that would be a really good resource.